Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a review of the Nokia C110 for Straight Talk. So the Nokia C110 is a new budget smartphone for Straight Talk, and it is now available for $59.99 in black. So this is the new budget smartphone for Straight Talk. Kind of looks like the Nokia C300 a little bit in terms of the fire and stuff. So if you guys get nothing at all. A backup gun or whatever the case may be, the Nokia C110 fits the bill there. So yeah, so this is the phone the phone requested that has to take that module from facing camera that you push above that power button and button keys on the right side of the phone, and we have the Nokia logo there on the bottom on the front there. So yeah, on the right side power button and volume keys on the back of the Nokia C110 is your single rear camera, flash, Nokia logo, TracFone logo, speaker, and has like the same color tint as the Nokia C300. So I don't know if it looks like that in person or not. I'm not really sure, but it is interesting nonetheless. So yeah. A smartphone that punches well above its price. Nokia C110 delivers the reliability you need and enhanced features you expect, and a price of definitely love. That's a very short and straightforward there. So there is the front and right side and back of the Nokia C110. Very decent looking phone minus the single rear camera. That's a big disappointment in 2023. But it's $40, so what do you expect here? So yeah. Specs. It has up to 436 hours of standby time on 4G and up to 440 hours of standby time on 3G. Wi-Fi 8 to 11, 3G and AC dual band Wi-Fi. It has 4G LTE, there is no 5G. The mentions are there. The screen size 6.3 inches HD plus LCD 720 by 1560 pixel resolution. VNX display. You get a 13 megapixel rear camera with autofocus and a 5 megapixel front facing camera with fixed focus there. 14 hours of battery life on 4G and 22 hours of battery life on 3G. Bluetooth 5.0 has a MediaTek MT6762 optical chipset. GPS AMA compatibility is there. 14 hours of talk time on 4G and 22 hours of talk time on 3G. The memory is 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM, and you do have a micro SD card extension up to 256 gigs, so take advantage of that. And the Nokia C110 is 171.8 grams. What comes in the box is your Nokia C110 smartphone, USB cable, charger, quick start gun, so you send itself there. Features: Pose-worthy portraits. Combining a high-resolution 13-megapixel rear camera with our powerful Nokia advanced imaging software, portrait mode will blur the background for high-quality portrait shots that really stand out. You will also be able to do the same for your selfies, making you the center of attention. As it should be, also comes with the night mode, so there's no reason to be afraid of the dark. Okay. Smooth and speedy. Thanks to the powerful optical processor, you will not only get fast performance, but its intelligent design gives up memory for better multitasking and lets more of your favorite apps run smoothly at the same time. Beautiful meets durable. The Nokia C110 is modern by design with its sleek, single-molded body. It's both comfortable to hold in one hand and incorporates a 3D texture pattern for better grip. And being a Nokia smartphone, it has been tested over and over and over again. pitted against some of the toughest reliability tests to ensure its legacy got going. So that's pretty cool there. So, yeah, the guys said the Nokia C110 is now here at Store Talk for $40. So, if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, a backup phone, or whatever, the phone looks decent, I guess. But the only thing I don't like about the phone that it has a single rear camera on the back. It's 2023, and I don't know why we're still seeing phones with single rear cameras. It's kind of ridiculous. It's ridiculous even for a budget phone. So, that's not the only con I have about the phone, that it only has a single rear camera. So, it is what it is. So, yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll look at you guys in the next one. Peace out.